Hey folks, this product is great. This DynATRAP does the job. You're gonna love this thing. Put it in your yard, kill the mosquitoes. Don't worry about it, let it run, and you'll have less mosquitoes. So let's get to the unboxing and the review. Hi everyone, Captain Mark Reviews. I got a new product for you. This is the DynATRAP Mosquito Killer. Excellent device. You're going to like seeing this one. So let's open up the box and see what comes inside. Alright, the first thing we see is a cleaning brush, which you can scrape off the sides and the fan with. And next, after opening it up, we have the DynATRAP owner's manual. It's very complete, tells you how to operate it, tells you troubleshooting, everything you need to know about it. Alright, looking at the DynATRAP, you can see up on the top, it's all hard plastic. You have a metal hook for hanging it. Taking a look at the sides, it's all plastic on the sides too. Lightweight, and you can see it has an extremely long cord on it. The electrical cord is 6 feet long, so that is a plus. Flipping the DynATRAP over, you can see on the bottom, you have vents on the bottom to allow the airflow to go through. Twist and unlocking the catch basin for this, you can see it's very large and holds a lot of insects. And here I want to show you how easy it is to maintain and keep your DynATRAP clean. You have a Phillips screw, which you get a screwdriver and simply unscrew it. Pull the screw out, drop down the fan, and you can get access to all the parts to it, the bulb, the fan, and everything else. And you just take your brush like that and clean it all off. That simple. It's very easy to get it back together. You just take the screw hole, align it with a screw tab on there, lines right up real quickly, and simply screw the Phillips screw back into place. Alright, looking at the front of the trap, you can see up at the top, just above the vents, there's a tab there. You just turn it to the left to turn the unit off, and you can tell by the white covering up the vents. Switching it to the right turns the unit on. You can see it has a nice glow to it. It's not too bright, just perfect amount of light to draw in the insect. Here I wanted to show you what it looks like down at the bottom with the fan running and the light drawing them in. It basically sucks the mosquitoes and bugs through the vents and goes straight on down and comes out and chops them up in the motor and drops them in the catch basin. Alright, let's find out what the weight is on this. It's very light. And you can see here it's only 3 pounds. And to give you some measurements here, the size, it is 13.8 inches long by 11.2 inches wide. And at the top, it is 14 inches wide. Now that we've got it all put back together, I'm going to take it outside, find somewhere to place it strategically to catch as maximum amount of mosquitoes as I can, and we'll just see what the results are. Alright, I want to show you just how well this trap works. I slowed down the speed of the video so you can see all the mosquitoes getting sucked into this device. Works. Look at the mosquitoes being drawn into this. They're flying all around it. They're even down at the base. Everywhere you look, they're getting sucked in. Hundreds of them. It's amazing. This DynATRAP just works really good. It draws them in through the fan. It has heat with the bulb, so they like that. It's amazing. Now, the last part we're going to do is we're going to check and see how many mosquitoes are inside my trap. I've had this out for 2 days now, so first thing I'm going to do is turn it off. I'm going to unhook the mosquito basin from the trap. Oh my gosh, look at all the mosquitoes. There's hundreds of them in there. Amazing. Look at all the moths. This thing is an excellent, excellent product. Unbelievable. Let me shake it up for you here a little bit so you can see them all in there. And folks, this is only 2 days outside. This is an incredible device. You can't go wrong purchasing this. So that's my review on the DynATRAP Mosquito Killer. Great product, folks. Kills thousands of mosquitoes. I've had it out over a week now. I'm so impressed with this thing. Knocked down the mosquito population big time. I'm probably going to put another one in my yard. But this device, the DynATRAP, provides a simple and effective option for protecting your property. It's lightweight, portable, powerful, all-weather trap designed to provide protection up to a half an acre. The DynATRAP technology utilizes 3 protections to defend your property against insects. First, it uses the UV bulb, which generates a warm light, which is highly attractive to many insects. The second is the lure of an exclusive TiO2 titanium dioxide coated surface on it, which produces a CO2 trail that mimics a human breath, and that's what draws them in. Once attracted to the unit, the powerful whisper quiet fan draws the insects and mosquitoes into the retaining cage where they dehydrate and die. Great product. I love this thing. You can pick it up on Amazon for $94.75, and I will leave that link down below for easy access. Folks, this thing is a great device. Mosquito killer big time. I'm going to be giving this a Captain Mark's 5-star review. If I had a 6, I'd give it a 6. But a 5-star review. Did everything it said it was going to do and more, because that's the products that I bring you. So if you think the information was useful in this video to help you purchase this DynATRAP, or hey, any of the other products in my video, why don't you give me that big thumbs up, because that really does help my channel grow. And if you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button down below, and don't forget the bell to the right to catch all my upcoming videos, because I got a lot more products coming to you. So this is Captain Mark saying thank you so much for watching my videos and subscribing to my channel, and I will see you in the next one.